never talk about your father. यार, okay, so the next question is actually very, very interesting. Have you ever thought about death, which is unexpected and uncertain? What is the life after that, on the day of judgment, when everyone is resurrected? So honestly, I think that. So the next question is from Krupa Thakkar, 4139. दिल्ली में क्या medical emergency आई थी? You never shared after that. What happened with your mother? Hi Munchkins, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. सबसे पहली बात, please ignore my weird कपड़ों का combination that's happening right here. बहुत ज्यादा सर्दियां हो रही हैं यहाँ देहरादून में, and I know कि मैंने अपने आप को कैसे घसीटा है बिस्तर से to shoot this video because 9:30 बज रहे हैं और मुझे बहुत तेज भूख लग रही है, and second I wanted to do a Q&A video. So सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन जो मुझे लास्ट मिनट सुलझा is that अब जब मैं डिनर करने जा ही रही हूँ, क्यों नहीं मैं डिनर करते करते Q&A भी कर लूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया है एंड इट साउंड्स इंटरेस्टिंग राइट. कुछ ऐसा बटर्ड या बहुत स्क्रिप्टेड ऐसा कुछ खाने का सीन नहीं है. मैं दोपहर का खाना खा रही हूँ, अब बासी नहीं है, दोपहर का ही खाना है. चावल शायद बासी हैं वो कल के चावल हैं. जस्ट बीइंग रियलिस्टिक, ओके. यहाँ पर आई एम होम अलोन, मम्मी घर पर नहीं है एंड आंटी जब खाना बनाती हैं वो एक जने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है तो वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है. बट आई मेक श्योर टू फिनिश ऑल द फूड. ऑलमोस्ट आई विल ट्राई टू फिनिश जितना भी खाना है. बट my kapra ka combination right here is so weird. I'm wearing this flufsa pajama, this sweater which is like not like the vibe that's happening. बहुत clash कर रहा है पीछे के background से. And then I have this Instagram का t-shirt जिसमें लिखा है कंटेंट मोड ऑन, जो आप देख नहीं सकते क्योंकि मैंने उसके ऊपर स्वेटर पहन लिया है. एनीवेज, मेरे को ना एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा तेज भूख लग रही है, मेरे पैरों में दर्द हो रहा है, तो मैं खाना गर्म कर रही हूँ. एंड मैं खाना पहले गर्म कर लेती हूँ, फिर बैठ के हम बात करेंगे. पर आज आई एम ईटिंग समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग व्हिच आई एक्चुअली वांट टू शो you guys. This is actually a Mauritian dish. It's called bouillon. Basically पालक का सूप कह सकते हो. It's sort of like a clear पालक का सूप. उसमें पालक डलता है ऑफ कोर्स, चावल का मांड और प्याज और क्या कहते हैं उसको, जिंजर डलता है, शायद गार्लिक भी डलता है. ऐसा ऐसा कुछ मुझे आता नहीं बनाना, पर बहुत सिंपल लाइट वेट सा रेसिपी है ये. जब मेरा गला खराब होता है, तबीयत खराब होती है ना, मम्मी ये बनाती है और मजा आ जाता है. साथ में ना वी हैव मैश्ड आलू का कुछ खाते हैं साथ में. हाँ, मुझे इतना पसंद है, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. यू कैन लाइक गूगल इट, व्हाट इज bouillon. It is sort of similar to जैसे कोरियन लोग खाते हैं ना, like soup with rice and something like side dish. It is sort of like that. And ये आलू का मैश है, इसमें प्याज है, जिंजर गार्लिक. I think I might be like very very wrong. अगर मम्मी ये वीडियो देख रहे होगे मेरे को चाटा मारेगी कि गलत रेसिपी बता रही है, बट ऐसा ऐसा कुछ है. तो आलू है. This is how bouillon looks like the actual bouillon. जैसे मैं कह रही थी ना, it's like clear soup and इसमें पालक है, बहुत सारी चीजें. This is like such comfort food and इसके साथ we have rice. So अभी मैं इसको गरम कर देती हूँ and then we'll eat this. ओके एवरीवन, अगर आपको बाहर से बैंड बाजाओं की आवाजें आए तो प्लीज इग्नोर. मेरे घर के बगल में किसी की शादी हो रही है एंड मेरा खाना गर्म होकर आ चुका है. आई एम लाइक रियली हंग्री. में लिटरली मेरे मुंह में बहुत सारा थूक बढ़ रहा है बिकॉज आई एम वेरी वेरी हंग्री. बट लेट्स डू दिस. पहले मैं इस माइक को अटैच कर देती हूँ. वैसे तो ये ऐसा खाना है जो हाथ से नहीं खाया जाता, बट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू ईट हाथ से, आई डोंट नो, मेरा मन कर रहा है हाथ से खाने का, तो आई विल हैव इट हाथ से. मैंने हाथ धो लिए हैं तो उसकी चिंता मत करना आप लोग. खाना बनकर आ चुका है. दिस इज bouillon, आलू चावल. इट माइट लुक वेरी ब्लैंड बट एक्चुअली इसमें काफ़ी फ्लेवर है. बट इट इज़ मोस्टली, समझ लो, इट्स लाइक खिचड़ी जैसे कंफर्टिंग फूड होता है ना, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ बहुत मसालेदार तड़का नहीं होता. इट्स लाइक दैट वेरी कंफर्टिंग लाइट वेट फूड. लेट्स बिगिन. वेरी नाइस. ठंडा हो गया यार बहुत जल्दी. So let's start with the first one. So Kajal says, currently I have no question, but I definitely want to tell you that how much I like you. You're doing very great. You have made me feel special, magical. You are such a fairy. Ever since I have seen you, I really like you so much. You're so pyari and I adore you so much. Thank you so much, Kajal bro. This is like the cutest thing ever. Thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate this. The next question is by Gauri. You never talk about your father. Yaar, I have mentioned this multiple times that he is camera shy. Second, कुछ चीजें ना private होती हैं. जैसे my life is very public, right? I can talk about my life, but काफी families में कभी दिक्कतें होती हैं, ये होती हैं, and it is just not about me. It is about like the entire family, and my family might not be comfortable, you know, talking about a few things that maybe we are not comfortable talking about, right? And I hope you guys understand. But if ever like, I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँ इस question का ना, मेरे पास ना proper एक प्रॉपर आंसर नहीं है इस चीज का, बट आप बस ऐसे करके समझ लो दैट ही इज कैमरा शाय एंड ही जस्ट डजंट वांट टू बी ऑन कैमरा if that is convincing enough. The next question is by Himanshi World. Please reveal your boyfriend. अरे भाई बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है मेरा कोई. सबको ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है? I posted this picture where हम बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स थे फोटो में and I wrote new relationships and I don't know, suddenly everyone assumed that I am in a relationship. I'm not in a relationship and by that picture I meant that new friendship. समझ लो, मतलब हर रिलेशनशिप कैन नॉट बी लाइक एक लड़के लड़के के बीच में एक रिलेशनशिप वाला कमिटमेंट है. इट कैन बी लाइक न्यू बडिंग फ्रेंडशिप्स एंड बिकमिंग गुड फ्रेंड्स आई थिंक. या तो I don't have a boyfriend. Yeah, you guys, please. होगा तो मैं पहले बताऊंगी. मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत तकलीफों से गुजर रही हूँ. मैंने बम्बल शम्बल टिंडर विंडर सब ट्राई कर लिया है. मेरे को लड़का मिल ही नहीं रहा है. I don't know, it's like something is like really off about. Okay, dating apps is definitely not my thing. I've tried everything and it is not working out for me. Everyone wants the same thing and I'm like, bye, what happened to old school love? What about, you know, where a person actually wants to know that actual person for kaun hai wo exactly, rather than just other stuff, if you know what I mean. So I'm like so done with these dating apps that I'm like off these dating apps now. And पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है यार मार्केट में लड़कों की बड़ी कमी है यार. लड़के बोलते हैं मार्केट में लड़कों की कमी है, हम लड़कियां बोलती है लड़कों की कमी है. बस यही है. मुझे तो लगता है कि मैं सिंगल ही मरूंगी और मेरे को नहीं मिलेगा कोई अच्छा लड़का. आपकी नज़र में कोई अच्छा लड़का है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताना या बात करवाना. I do have like a long list of कि what I want and what I don't want. I am talking to guys to understand मुझे क्या चाहिए and मुझे क्या नहीं चाहिए. And जब तक मैं लड़कों से बात नहीं करूँगी मेरे को समझ नहीं आएगा what I like and what I don't like, right? Make sense? And अभी तक मैं ये समझ गई that I don't want somebody who doesn't understand my profession. Because मेरी लाइफ ना, मेरी लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक है सोशल मीडिया पर. एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन माई लाइफ एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल. इनफैक्ट बम्बल पे आई मेट अ फ्यू गाइज जहाँ पर दे वर लाइक वेरी काइंड इनफ. आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट फॉर बीइंग वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. दैट उन्होंने लिटरली मेरे मुंह पे बोला दैट हिमाद्री योर लाइफस्टाइल इज समथिंग दैट हम कोप अप नहीं कर सकते इस चीज से. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट वी कैन प्रोवाइड व्हाट यू एक्जैक्टली लुकिंग फॉर. योर प्रोफाइल इज वेरी पब्लिक एंड वी आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इट, व्हिच आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट गाय टू बी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. इन द फर्स्ट गो वो मेरा टाइम पास भी कर सकता था बट ही डिड not do that, which is really cool. तो बहुत सारे लोग ना actually I feel 90% people are very overwhelmed with my job profession. Would I get it? कई लोगों को एकदम प्राइवेट पसंद है, कई लोगों को नहीं पसंद आता कंटेंट क्रिएशन वाला वो. तो ठीक है, आई थिंक थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा मेरे को ना the one मिलने में. Okay, so the next question is again sort of like a repeated question by Nandini Kumari 0017. Why is your father never with you? Why you always skip that question? We all know private life and all, but we deserve to know at least if your parents are separated, then you can say that and the topic will be over. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Or just remember, if someone is good parent, it doesn't mean that they are good couple. So you can tell us, even if your father have another family and he moved on, you're growing in life, your mother and your family is in a happy place. God bless you. I really appreciate you Nandini for asking this question in a very nice way. You do not seem rude because काफी लोग ना बहुत rudely मुझसे पूछते हैं अरे इसके तो पापा ही नहीं है, अपने पापा को हमेशा छुपाती है. I don't know, पता नहीं क्या बहुत गंदी गंदी बातें बोलते हैं लोग, है ना. वो चीज hurt करती है. And I really appreciate your concern Nandini and with everyone जिसको concern है इस चीज को लेकर. I think when I'm ready to talk about it, I will talk about it, but I need some time to be open. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि it is just not about my life. A lot of people are connected with this and it is just not about me. अगर मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मेरा हस्बैंड होता या मेरा करियर होता या मेरा कुछ होता तब समझ में आता, या मेरे दोस्त होते तब समझ में आता that I'm talking very openly and then I don't have to think twice before answering that. But when it comes to like family थोड़ा सा I think you will also understand that a lot of lives are connected to this. So just give me time. If I feel that I am ready, I will talk about it. Okay, so the next question is actually very interesting. Have you ever thought about death, which is unexpected and uncertain? What is the life after that, on the day of judgment when everyone is resurrected? So honestly I think that अगर death मिले ना किसी को, it should be very painless. This is what I feel. It should be something that it should not be very painful. But I also understand the fact that कि karma also plays a very important role इस चीज में. I feel people do come back and there is an afterlife. This is a very deep topic. इसके लिए तो मुझे 20-30 मिनट चाहिए बस बात करने के लिए. But अगर मैं अपने personal views दूँ, if I die, I would want to die in a way where I don't come back. back in this world. कहते हैं ना मोक्ष, like the ultimate thing that when you don't come back on this earth for pain or suffering and all that stuff. I want to be like a good human being, which I know I'm not. I have a lot of things, एकदम मोह माया सब कुछ छोड़ देना चाहिए, like friends, family and everything. You need to just like move on from all that stuff. But I want to, maybe when I'm at an age where I feel that I can sacrifice everything and maybe move forward, I would want to not come back to this world, if that makes any sense. But ये बस मोटा मोटा मेरा हिसाब है कि कर्मा होता है, be a good person, this is what I feel, and वापस जन्म नहीं लेना इस दुनिया में. बहुत दुख है भाई यहाँ पर, क्यों आना है किसी को? You never know तुम अगला जन्म कैसा लोगे यार. So that's that. The next question is, what is your friendship status with Sara and other content creators? My friendship status with Sara is okay. Like I think it's pretty much the same. It's just like we all are very very busy in our stuff. हम लोगों का इतना मिलना नहीं होता है. कभी जिस इवेंट में वो होती है मैं नहीं होती हूँ, जिस इवेंट में मैं होती हूँ वो नहीं होती है. So we don't get to meet as such, but yeah हमारी बात हो जाती है. With other content creators, I have like really good friends in this industry. I'll just name a few. Like I really admire Shalini Mandal. I love her. Like she's literally like my badi behan. The way she treats me, it's very special. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि you know like we belong to the same industry. It feels like कि वो genuinely एक बड़ी बहन जैसी है, and I love her so much. I'm very very connected with Shalini Di. And the other really good friend that I have in this industry should be Shivani Taneja. हम जब भी मिलते हैं हम इतनी मस्ती मारते हैं, and she's just like a beautiful human being. मैं जब भी दिल्ली जाती हूँ I always make sure that हम दोनों के बीच में communication हो, that bro मैं दिल्ली आ रही हूँ, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, and whenever I meet her उससे इतनी अच्छी vibes आती हैं. And I think Shivani and Shalini Di are these two very very close people जिससे मैं बहुत अच्छे से connect करती हूँ. The next question is from Kharpreet. Is there any other business you do besides of YouTube and clothing brand? No, I do social media and I have my clothing brand. Apart from this, I don't do anything else. The next question is from Mahi Nirmal. Hi Himadri, you look so pretty. The way you manage your expenses and YouTube is so good. Q&A. What you regret the most in your journey? Something you think should have happened. थोड़ा सा unclear सा लग रहा है मुझे question. What you regret the most in your journey? So I think I'll answer that part. What I regret the most is when I लॉन्च री. आप लोगों को लाइक इट्स नॉट अ सीक्रेट, सबको पता है कि री के टाइम पर कितना ज्यादा हेट मिला था हमें, मुझे. एंड आई थिंक आई कुड हैव हैंडल द हेट थोड़ा सा बेटर बिकॉज इट रियली अफेक्टेड मी मेंटली. एक्चुअली सीन ये हुआ ना, आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दैट यूट्यूब इतना ज्यादा टॉक्सिक हो जाएगा. टॉक्सिक इन अ वे दैट आई वाज वेरी ओपन टू फीडबैक, बट द वे पीपल वर सेइंग घर वालों के लिए ये तो ऐसी है, ये तो चोर है, ये तो लूटने के लिए आई है, ये वैसे जो ये बहुत गंदे गंदे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल हुआ ना, आई थिंक वो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे अफेक्ट करा था बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग that to happen and I really took it to heart. And अचानक से I don't know, like people started hating on me because of one maybe mistake or maybe no, I don't think so it was a mistake, but it was something that I was not an expertise in and I did work towards that. Pricing was an issue, I worked toward the pricing and now we have a lot more affordable options जैसे आप लोगों को चाहिए था. हर ब्रांड गलती करता है, हर ब्रांड अपनी गलतियों से ही सीखता है. Amazon से शुरू नहीं हुआ था, Samsung से शुरू नहीं हुआ था. Meesho took 10 years to be here. उन्होंने कितनी बार अपना बिजनेस मॉडल चेंज किया है. सो ना बिजनेस ऐसे ही ना धीरे विद टाइम इवॉल्व, अपनी गलतियों से सीख सीख कर इवॉल्व होता है. लोगों ने ना मुझे इवॉल्व होने का चांस ही नहीं दिया, मुझे पहले ही इतना सुना दिया दैट तू तो ऐसी है, तेरा तो नहीं चलेगा. एंड दैट अल्टीमेटली ऑल्सो अफेक्टेड माई पर्सनल वर्क विच वॉज सोशल मीडिया, विच आई ऑल्सो गेट कि लोगों का क्या पर्सपेक्टिव था एंड क्या रहा होगा. I wish I could have handled the hate in a very different way and maybe I could have been like more consistent on social media because I literally मैं गायब हो गई social media में because मैं इतनी ज़्यादा stressed out थी and इतनी ज़्यादा drained थी मैं emotionally that उसके कारण मेरा social media काफ़ी ज़्यादा affect हुआ, मेरे views and all that stuff. आप I am sure आपने भी notice किया होगा that मेरे long form में बहुत drastic dip आया जब से मैंने relaunch किया है, which I don't know, I'm trying my best to revive it, gain that trust again. आप लोगों को कैसा content चाहिए आप please मुझे बताओ. I'd be more than happy to do that. Okay guys, खाना खा लिया है मैंने and I'm so full, but let's continue with the other questions. So the next question is from Krupa Thakkar 4139. दिल्ली में क्या medical emergency आई थी? You never shared after that. What happened with your mother? So nothing happened as such मम्मा के साथ, पर मम्मी का पूरा full body checkup हो रहा था because she was sort of like eligible for one liver transplant जो हमारे family member को ज़रूरत थी and she was like a potential donor because एकदम immediate family plus blood group match कर रहा था. But after all the checkups and everything पता चला that mama was not like the ideal donor for liver transplant, so it did not happen. We did not go ahead with the surgery. Hence I think मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया होगा, and I apologize for that. But ममा की सर्जरी हुई नहीं, and अभी तक वो liver transplant का भी process नहीं हो पाया complete. The next question is like it's funny. It's Dibya. How many exes do I have? Like, that is a very interesting question. I do have like a lot of exes. Okay, so let me start with, I'll need to count, okay? Just like give me a second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6, 7, 8. But starting के जो ये up to 4, 5 थे ना, they were like just like बचपन वाला stuff था, nothing too crazy. But I think 7, 8 तो exes रहे हैं मेरे. मतलब I was in a relationship when I was like really young. Just imagine, I was in 3rd standard when Bhanu Didi went to a 3rd standard का guy and proposed that guy on my behalf that Himadri likes you, and I was like, I'm in 3rd standard. But she really pushed me to have a boyfriend, so it was like 3rd standard का boyfriend. So just imagine क्या ही था वो. But of course, it was a part of my ex's history. So I even considering that. The next question is also very interesting. It's by Sonali Raj. What's your thinking on marriage? Do you love your life right now? What's your biggest mistake and achievement in past? Any suggestions for new makeup channel? Alright, so I'll answer it one by one. What's your thinking on marriage? So currently at this point, I don't think so I am mentally ready to get married. It is a very big commitment, and I don't think so I am ready to do that, because I feel, see, शादी या एक relationship में ना, it is a lot of effort. And when I get into a relationship, I want to put in a lot of effort, and I also expect that वो सामने से भी आए. So पहले I want to tick off a lot of things that I want to do before I commit to somebody. और चाहे वो relationship हो, चाहे वो एकदम शादी हो, but I want to do a lot of things while I am single. ऐसा नहीं है that I plan on being single my entire life. No, I am talking to guys, but I'm talking to guys in a way that I want to understand what I like and what I don't like. I'm like talking stage वाला stage चल रहा है मेरा अभी, but commitment is not something that I'm looking for. मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है commitment से. In fact, मेरे को शादी के concept से ही बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक shorts भी डाला था जहाँ पे मैंने mention किया था that I have not seen any successful marriages in my life. इसको मैं idealize करके बोलूँ कि bro मेरे को ऐसा शादी चाहिए, या ऐसा पति चाहिए मुझे, या ऐसा relationship चाहिए. So it's sort of like, it's scary. It's a very weird feeling that I cannot explain. मुझे पता है मुझे शायद एक point पर FOMO होगा when all my friends are married around me, but marriage is not the ultimate goal that I want to achieve. I don't want to get married out of FOMO कि bro अब उम्र निकल रही है तो अब शादी करनी है. I want to get married when I genuinely feel that I found the right guy, because it's not मजाक. Once you're in a शादी के बंधन में, there is sort of like a lot of compromises, and even if you want to back off, there are a lot of legal things that take place, right? So it's just not like कि breakup हुआ चलो move on ये सब खत्म हो गया. No, it's not like that. So मैं बहुत सोच समझ के करना चाहती हूँ, not out of FOMO. Do you love your life right now? I actually really enjoy where I am at this point. I have my goals very clear that मुझे क्या करना है and कैसे करना है और किसके लिए करना है, and I'm very grateful for this life, and I think I'm at a very good stage personally, I would say. But professionally and career wise, I think I really want to achieve more. Like, this is not enough. Like, this is like nothing. This is like bare minimum that I'm doing right now. I want to do more, if that makes any sense. My biggest mistake should be that, again, like, I did not take that hate जो द्री के time पर आया था. I could have handled that hate better, and that's like the biggest regret that I have, that I wish I could have handled that situation better. And my biggest achievement in the past, I think it should be घर खरीदना was also not an achievement, I would say. My biggest achievement was मम्मी की job छुड़वाना, which has been always on my list. I think ever since I was a kid, मेरा एक सपना था कि भाई bro जो भी हो जाए मम्मी की job छुड़वानी है. And I think when I got the chance to do that, and now she can live her life the way she wants to. She does not have have to worry about कि घर कैसे चलाना है. Like financially I'm taking care of everything. So I think that's the biggest achievement. To be able to be the provider of the family, I think that's the biggest achievement that I've had done. Yeah. Life with Jyoti कहती है आप कितनी पढ़ी लिखी हो और age. I'm 27. I have done my BTech in computer science with a specialization of big data analysis. So I'm just a graduate. I did not pursue further studies. The next question is actually a question that I get very, very often is by Devika Batra. What about your old house now that you bought a new one? If you talk about this house, which is like the not a very old house, it's a pretty fairly new house. I think it's 5-6 साल ही हुए हैं इस घर को भी. इस घर में हम रहने ही वाले हैं. That is gonna happen to this house because इस घर में in fact सीन ये है that ना हमारे पास कभी घर नहीं था. ये हमारा पहला घर है. जिंदगी भर हम लाइक अभी स्कूल के प्रेमाइसेस में रहते थे क्योंकि मम्मी की जॉब थी या हम रेंटेड जगह पे रहते थे या हमने नानी के घर पे शेल्टर ले रखा था. We've never had like our house. So this was literally the first house that we bought जहाँ पे मैं बैठी हूँ अभी. So we have a lot of memories. Actually this is the first house जहाँ पे हम actually memories बना रहे हैं. Memories that we can cherish. बाकी हम हमेशा जिंदगी भर इधर उधर मूव करते रहे यहाँ क्या, but we never got to settle at one place जहाँ पे हमने सब कुछ किया हो. So because I really want to build more memories in this house, इस घर ने बहुत कुछ देखा है. My first car, my first 100K, 1 million, my first pet, my second pet, my first hamster, Angel, भान दीदी की शादी, मम्मी का जॉब छूटना, इस घर को घर बनाना, इस घर में चीजें ऐड करना, इतनी सारी चीजें, मतलब इतनी सारी चीजें, मेरी दोस्तियां, नई दोस्ती देखी, दोस्ती टूटते हुए देखी, बहुत कुछ देखा है इस घर ने. मेरा स्ट्रगल देखा है, मेरा नया घर खरीदना देखा है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू लीव दिस हाउस. वी फाइनली स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग मेमोरीज, सो वी डू नॉट वांट टू लीव दिस प्लेस. सो डेफिनेटली उस वाले घर को अभी वी नीड टू स्टिल फिगर आउट कि हमें क्या करना है. बट अनदर रीजन दैट व्हाई वी डोंट वांट टू मूव आउट ऑफ दिस हाउस इज बिकॉज ना ये अपार्टमेंट्स हैं. सेफ्टी इश्यूज के हिसाब से भी आई थिंक दिस इज बेटर बिकॉज जिस घर जहाँ पे हमने घर खरीदा ना वहाँ पे अभी रोड वोड ये सब बनने में भी टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि अभी वो डेवलपिंग एरिया है, वहाँ पे लेबर्स वगैरह हैं. यहाँ पे ना सिक्योरिटी बहुत है बिकॉज अभी यहाँ पे मम्मा अकेली रहती है, मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ तो मम्मी के लिए सिक्योरिटी है, गार्ड्स हैं यहाँ पर, वी हैव पीपल अराउंड, इट्स अ गेटेड सोसाइटी सो इट्स वेरी वेरी सेफ. समटाइम्स मम्मा इज ट्रैवलिंग लाइक राइट नाउ मम्मा इज ट्रैवलिंग, इट्स जस्ट मी with these two kids, so it's so safe that I know that I don't have to be scared at night. So safety point of view I think should be the biggest concerns right now, that we don't want to leave this society or this house. This house is gonna be this house forever. Like घर घर होता है. And especially I think अगर you are also from a middle class family or if you are also somebody जिसका कभी घर नहीं रहा है, I think you can relate to this. जब अपना घर होता है ना वो घर अपना होता है. उसके बाद आप वो पहला घर खरीदने के बाद आप 10 घर भी खरीद लो ना, जो पहला घर होता है ना वो पहला घर होता है. It hits hard. A lot of people are asking me about my celebrity crush. I think celebrity crush में यार I really like Ranveer Singh, but is he a crush? I'm not very sure. In fact कोई celebrity, oh yes, have you guys seen Crash Landing on You Crash Landing on You, the actor of that particular series? I think I have a huge crush on him. He's such a cutie. I love him. I think I just love him. And apart from that, I think I love Sambhavna Seth. Like my favorite YouTuber should be Sambhavna Seth, hands down. No one can argue with me about that, like period. Okay, the next question is how do you shoot at home? Like what setup you use, camera and lighting? So currently I'm shooting on my Canon EOS R and इसके साथ मैंने लेंस लगा रखा है zoom in zoom out. जैसे आप देख सकते हो ना, zoom in zoom out हो जाएगा इतना मस्त तरीके से. This is a Tamron 7 so this is a Tamron 2470. एकदम zoom in zoom out हो जाता है. It's perfect for makeup tutorials. In fact मैंने लिया ही उसी के लिए था. And I have like a big soft box right here. It is called SL60. And बस I think that's it. And पूरे रूम की लाइट्स मैंने ऑन कर रखी है to add that warmth. Shreya is asking how are you? How's Dri going on? Dri is doing good. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, so this one is very interesting. What is your personal style of investing and what is your advice to women considering your success? Thank you for this question. Honestly, it's actually pretty interesting. First of all, I don't think so I'm successful. अभी it's just like baby steps. अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना है life में. My personal style of investing is okay. One thing I've learned is while I was doing my research, like this is something that I've done like 100% खुद से. I've spoken to a few people here in my family and here and there, friends वगैरह से, and one thing that I've understood is that do not invest your entire money in just one thing. Always like कहते हैं ना कि don't keep your eggs in in one basket. I think that's the case. Don't do that. I have a very diverse portfolio. I have debt, equity. Uspe bhi like I have like invested like in multiple different places. I have like index funds. I have gold, ETF, EPF, ETP. कुछ कहते हैं इसको मैं भूल गई. I have gold. I have in a lot of different things. In fact, like real estate अब ऐड हो गया है मेरे उसमें. And stocks है. Crypto नहीं करती हूँ मैं because मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. Intraday में करती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. Don't do something that you do not understand. Second point ये है. Like for example जैसे मुझे crypto समझ नहीं आया कभी भी. Like मेरे को समझ आया but I knew वहाँ पे risk था and मेरा conscious बोला that hey Madhu you should not dip your toes into it because just out of FOMO क्योंकि हर कोई कर रहा था. Don't do it. And I'm so happy that I did not do it because FOMO चला था because I see so many people around me जिन्होंने इतना सारा पैसा खोया है क्रिप्टो में. So always listen to your conscious and trust me when I tell you कि आपका conscious knows what's right and what's wrong. Just do not ignore. If you feel that नहीं मुझे लगता है नहीं है कि मुझे इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए या कुछ करना चाहिए, don't do it. बाकी FDs is something like it's not happening. No. I do have like a very high risk portfolio because I truly feel that currently I'm like very young, so I have the bandwidth to take that risk. Higher the risk, higher the return rate. And I also plan on investing long term. So I don't do short term investing. That's not the ultimate goal. And when I was planning on buying the property that I just bought, it was सब कुछ देख दाख कर मैंने खरीदा कि ऐसा तो नहीं कि सपोज मैंने घर खरीद लिया उसके बाद मैं कंगाल हो गई और मेरे पास तो हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं है, घर में कुछ इमरजेंसी आ गई तो क्या. नॉट लाइक दैट. बहुत सोच समझ के घर खरीदा है मैंने. बट बिफोर एवरीथिंग, बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड इवन इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स or stocks or even buying the house or anything for that matter, even like before I bought a car, the first thing I did was as soon as I started earning was to get a life and a health insurance, which was something that I again learned while I was doing my research that no matter what तुम जितना भी invest कर लो अगर तुम्हारा health and life insurance is not sorted, bro बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो जाएगी. So I would also suggest that once your life and health is sorted, I don't think so you need that extra set pair of money, not pair like that extra money to be kept separated because you don't have to keep that money separate. Rather than keeping it in your bank account, invest that money. कभी medical emergency होगी ये health insurance है ना. Of course keep some cash separate, but ऐसा भी नहीं कि बहुत सारा मतलब पैसा ही पैसा रखा हुआ है बैंक अकाउंट में because उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. That's my style of doing it and I'm not an expert but I'm still trying to discover and trying to figure out how things work. We have another question by the same person. Would you stay single throughout your life if given a choice? I'm divorced and quite scared about marrying again. While I understand your concern that marrying again can be very difficult because divorce is a very intense process and it's not a pleasant process, I'll be very honest. And उसके बाद अपने आप को gather करना to trust another person or to even indulge this process में, I think it takes a lot of courage and maybe like time heals. I would say I'm not very sure how to say this, but yeah, it is a tough process. I'm sure I've not personally experienced it, but I have seen people around going to that process. And फिर से शादी करना ना नहीं हो पाता. I mean, maximum लोगों को नहीं देखा है करते हुए. If I would have given a choice to stay single, I would love to. But I also feel that एक point आता है जहाँ पे you need somebody to be with you. मतलब you start feeling lonely, and sometimes I do feel lonely. So I think I would want to be with a partner, but I would want to take my sweet not little time, like a sweet long time to make sure that if I genuinely want to marry that person, I would want to experience live-in relationship because मुझे लगता है relationships ना girlfriend boyfriend का दूर से बहुत lovey-dovey लगता है, but once you actually start living with that person बहुत अलग-अलग चीजें पता चलती हैं, उनका रहन सहन कैसा है, how they face daily challenges and everything like that. Like traveling में आप कैसे cope up करते हो with challenges, it's very difficult to understand with that about a partner. So I think I will take my time before I settle in. Single काश मैं रह पाती, but अगर lonely हो जाता है यार, we'll see. I cannot comment. अभी तो मैं single हूँ and I'll be single for the next 3-4 years most probably. The next question is again very interesting. Like I swear you have asked really good questions. Are YouTubers actually that rich or they are projecting living a luxury life to build an image to get brand deals? Okay, so this is very subjective. बहुत सारे लोग project करते हैं to that they are living a certain lifestyle and a lot of people are actually living that lifestyle. So a lot of people actually, and another case ये भी है that actually a lot of people are earning good money, but they live a very simple life. So it's very subjective, honestly. I cannot comment about others, but I won't say I'm living a luxurious life, because I'm not living a luxurious life. I'm just living, I would say I'm living a good life where I have money for food, I have enough money to provide for my family, I have enough money to fulfill मेरे थोड़े बहुत जो मेरे को खरीदने के हमेशा से सपने थे, and I'm doing that. So I think I'm living a good life, but it's honestly very, very subjective. This is again a very cute question. How has life been as a mother of two? Life has been like pretty fun. I love when these two babies play. Milo starting में काफी upset था. उसको लगा था हेजल आई है, चली जाएगी एक दो दिन में, but 2-3 हफ्ते हो गए ये यहीं पर है, तो लगा कि अब तो यहीं पर टिकने वाली है. एक हफ्ता काफी सैड था माइलो, बट नाउ आई थिंक दे आर लाइक रियली गुड फ्रेंड्स. दे प्ले टुगेदर. ये उठते ही साथ खेलना शुरू कर देते हैं, पूरा दिन खेलते रहते हैं. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. आई वांटेड देम टू बी siblings. I wanted them to have friends and be friends. I wanted them to be friends. I wanted them to have each other का back and console एक दूसरे को if someone's scared. And it's been incredible to see how things are transforming into such a beautiful relationship, and how Hazel is adjusting so beautifully, and how she's adapting to everything. Like it's beautiful. Like I keep admiring her. बीच बीच में मैं उसको डांट लगाती हूँ because कभी कभी बदतमीजी करती है, but हर बच्चा करता है and हर माँ गुस्सा करती है. So that's the scene, but it's been incredible. I couldn't have asked anything more, and I've always wanted to be a mother of two, and finally that I am like just beyond grateful. Thank you so much for your questions. I hope I was able to answer most of it. I was expecting more house related questions, but other house related questions I need was just like simply life update and my views. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any more questions, and please मुझे बताओ कि आप लोगों को कैसे टाइप की वीडियोस देखनी पसंद है. I would love to film them, and I think I'll take a break from vlogs because I think थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया है. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and before leaving, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.